Elizabeth's company has been using the traditional method of annual performance reviews to measure and discuss their performance, but she finds that it's not as effective as she had hoped. However, she had heard about a different performance review practice called 360-degree reviews, and she wants to give it a try without having to integrate a whole new platform or system into her organization. Luckily for her, Axy Employee Management is exactly what she's looking for, and the best part is, it comes included with Axy OKR at no additional charge. Let's see it in action. What makes 360 reviews so powerful is being able to get a complete overview of an employee's performance from the feedback that they receive from everyone they work with. And if Elizabeth wants to see the feedback given for any specific employee, it's as easy as going to the Reviews tab and opening up the review for that employee. Here, she can cycle through the different feedback tabs to see the different feedback that the employee has received from their peers, subordinates, customers, and partners. This is also where she can see the employee's self-assessment, as well as the feedback that she wrote previously as the employee's manager. This is extremely important when it comes to 360 reviews, since having feedback from everybody helps employees better understand what needs to be improved and what they're doing really well, as well as how everyone they work with views them as a teammate. This is also very important for managers as it paints a much better picture of their employees' impact on their colleagues and the organization as a whole. One of Elizabeth's favorite features of Axie Employee Management is the fact that privacy is maintained throughout the whole 360 review process. This is done by making it so that feedback can only be seen by the owner of the review and the employee giving the actual feedback. In addition, she also has a place to leave private notes that only she can see in the manager notes section. And another thing that she loves is the fact that when she's reviewing the feedback of each employee, she can also see their OKRs at the same time. And yet another thing that makes 360-degree reviews so powerful is the fact that they're done in cycles that are more frequent than the typical annual performance review. Elizabeth has decided to use quarterly review periods since they align perfectly with her organization's OKR periods. If we go to the Review Cycles tab and take a look at the review cycle that she has defined for this period, we can see that she has connected it to the Q1 OKR period. This page also gives her all the information she needs about the current status of the review cycle to help with planning, designing, and customizing the reviews, such as the deadlines for specific actions, which types of reviews are required for it, and the questionnaires that it is using. In addition, she can go to the Stats tab to see reports and graphs on the progress of the review cycle, such as the current state of all the reviews and the current state of the feedback, including information on the feedback progress by respondent. She also loves the fact that Axy Employee Management does all the work of generating the reviews and feedback instances by simply clicking the Generate Reviews button, provided that she has created the review cycle questions and questionnaires already. And if she wants to modify any of the questions for any of the questionnaires, or simply create a new one, it's as easy as going to the Questions tab and clicking on any of the existing questions or clicking on the New button. Here, she can adjust the order of the question, whether it should have a start and end date, and the answer type for it. Axie Employee Management provides 4 different answer types, giving her lots of flexibility when it comes to her questionnaires. So as you can see, by adopting the 360 review practice with Axie Employee Management, Elizabeth has enabled her company's employees to give and receive valuable feedback that keeps them growing professionally with more integrated and motivated teams.